Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review. Today we have the Coway AP-1008CH Air Purifier. It's fashioned for freshness. It has won critical acclaim among the critics. It's got excellent user reviews. It's the first air conditioner, purifier, whatever, to be featured on the front cover of Time magazine. The first purifier to climb Mount Everest without oxygen tanks. And the first air purifier to participate in the all-female spacewalk. But what everyone forgets about is how does it unbox? It is surely everyone talks about this thing. It's the test winner of the test winners. It's an excellent product. So if you are gonna watch this video to find out, oh, well, should I buy it or should I not buy it? Yeah, just go buy it after you watch the rest of the video. But if you want to know how what it's like to unbox it, then you should stay for the video, because I don't know and you don't know either. That's why you're here. So let's figure that out. And as you can see, for this we have Mr. Knifey Knife here, because there is tape everywhere. I suppose that is what you need for the Mount Everest climb, or maybe it's still there from the Time magazine front cover thing. Nobody really knows, it seems. But it seems to be the bane of my existence. Always all this tape. Whoops. Poor little boxy box. There we go. It's always all this tape that I have to cut through. But at least it is not red, because then I would be drinking pina coladas. But I'm not. I'm doing some unboxing, and as far as the experience so far is, well, if you've ever experienced cutting tape, just regular plain old packing tape, that's what the experience is like. Because everyone just loves to put this tape all over everything. Okay, so we have the top is open. Well, not really. There's those flaps here first. Now the top is open. And let's see what we have here. If you grab onto the side here, and then you can maybe get it up. Okay, so you have this. That's fine. Just some protective stuffily stuff. Styrofoam. Some styrofoamy stuff. That's some more styrofoamy stuff. I can actually see the... What if I just turn this upside down, actually? Or should I... Well, I can see the product in here. Yep, I can probably just pull it out. Yep, I can just pull it out. Right. Okay, well, that, no pun intended, that was completely... You think there hasn't been enough bad jokes in this video already? That's really not what I was going for. Okay, what is this? What is this? They put the bag on too tightly, so now I have to... Oh, well, look! Here it is! There's actually something. I'm trying to not make this dirty, and then the air purifier is not very pure-minded. This is a very dirty-minded air purifier. This is terrible. Okay, moving. moving right on. We have. All right. Oh, it would be turning its behind at me, of course, because it's that's just it. And oh, here you have the tail then, I suppose. All right. Here you go. This is the product. Yeah. I think that's it. Styrofoam. And I suppose here comes where the air comes out, and this is like, why is there tape here? What is this for? I don't know, but you could see the product, and I'm gonna see if there's anything more in here. But no, there isn't. There really isn't. So then, this is the product. This is the air conditioner, the purifier. Even though it is very dirty-minded. So yeah, it was a pretty straightforward unboxing experience. Really, you can't package things a whole lot differently. There wasn't a whole lot of bubble wrap, this and that. Just pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So I have to give this 8 out of 10, and I'm sure that the product will be great, because that's what everyone keeps saying. It's the best air purifier there ever was and ever will be. And also, yeah, and the Aurora approves. So yeah, that's it for this video. I do make 8-bit music. If you like that sort of thing, or if you're curious about it, then I've put a link in the video description. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, thumbs up, ring the bell, or whatever people say these days. I don't know. But I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.